To complete this assignment, you will need both the Word document and the Excel document that are available through Blackboard. The first thing you'll notice on the table is I've color-coded certain rows. For the green rows, you're simply going to tell me the number of people who told you their biological sex, their education level, and their age groups. For the yellow row, you're going to tell me how many males you have in the data set, how many females you have in the data set, and then you go across and you fill out the appropriate yellow row. Make sure when you are giving me your answers, you tell me the actual number and the percentage, and I'll show you how to write that out. Now we're going to focus on biological sex first. If you look at the Excel file, column C should have the biological sex. If you click this down arrow, that is your filter, you'll notice that the only options are female and male. That means that everyone that filled out the survey told you their biological sex. So we can scroll down to the bottom of the data set. You'll notice that we have 250 rows of data in the file, but that first row is your header row, so it does not count as actual data. That gives us, over in the table, 249 individuals who told us their biological sex. And since that is everyone, it is also 100%. Now we want to know how many males and females. Okay. So if you go back to the top to the header row and click on your filter, if you click the select all, it will remove all of the checkboxes. And we're going to do male first. And you notice it's just the male. And you can have the computer count the number of males. Okay. So you'll notice down at the bottom, let's see if I can, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it on the screen. There we go. You'll notice down here at the bottom, we have a count of 104. So we enter 104 right there. And then you'll calculate the percentage. So the easiest way, make sure that you don't miscalculate it. 104 divided by 249, 41.8%. So you'd do 41.8. Now, to calculate the females, scroll back up here. You want to deselect all the boxes and you just want to look at the females. Okay. Now again, you can highlight the number. Okay. So you've got 145. Again, 145 divided by 249, we've got 58.2%. Now this one's a little bit easier because you know it's 100%, so your total number of males and females should total up to this number. That does not always happen, especially if someone did not answer one of the questions. So you keep filling out the green and yellow rows. Now, these other cells in the table, will go over next.